Hey viewers, today I am setting up my new workspace, and in this video I will be unboxing and assembling a special addition to my setup. Let's get started. I think you have already guessed it. So this is a 24-inch Dell monitor. It not only looks great but also comes with several impressive features. So let's assemble it nicely and see how it looks and how it works. There are many types of cable here. This is HDMI. It's a DVI cable. This is power cable, important. And this is USB A 2.0. But I will be using just two of them. This manual is entirely in Chinese, so I won't be reading this. This is a useful manual. The assembly process is drawn here by step. This is a part of the stand. Wow, it looks really nice and quality is premium. I like it. This is also parts of it. It has a solid weight and the monitor will stand firmly on it. Wow, very nice quality. Seriously. Now let's get to the main part. First, let's set up the stand. Wow, this system is really well designed and very easy to assemble. By pressing this button, you can easily remove the stand. Wow, very nice. Here the screw is very important. You need to tighten it properly like this. Be careful because the entire monitor depends on it. So the assembly is now complete. I only need the power cable and HDMI cable for now. Let's take a look. Wow. Before powering it on, let me tell you about two really nice features of this. You can easily move it vertically, and this is one of the best feature, especially the programmers. I like it. Wow. Be careful while doing this. And another feature is you can adjust the height. First, you need to tilt it slightly forward, and then you can easily move it up and down to adjust the height. It looks great, right? I personally love this monitor. And one more feature is the waiting, and I will show that after powering it on. So I'm powering it on now. Wow, it looks amazing. There are two buttons at the back, and now we will show you what they do. This is the power button, and this is the menu button. Using this menu button, you can adjust the brightness and contrast, and also set different light modes for eyes comfort, like gaming mode, movie mode, cool and warm. That's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this unboxing and setup helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.